Yes, welcome back, my dear children. Now we are going to see a pollution of air. Okay, what is meant by pollution? Tell me, my dear children, what's meant by pollution? Harmful to the environment. Okay, pollution means that is a harmful. Okay, harmful one to the environment. Okay, see here. Now we are going to see that. Okay, air pollution. Okay, we need air to live. Yes, absolutely. In before session and all, I told you we need air to live in this world. Okay, that's here they given. We need air to live. The air that we breathe in should be clean. Okay, we are breathing the air. No, that air should be clean always. Okay, the air that we breathe, it should be always clean. Okay. Air that is not clean can cause serious problems to people and the environment around us. Yes, absolutely. See here, we are breathing that air, no, and also what are all the airs surrounding ourselves is should be clean. If it is not clean, it may cause any serious problems to us, and also it may cause any serious problems to the environment around us. Okay, air that is not clean can cause serious problems to people and the environment around us. Dust, smoke and illness causing germs make air unclean. Okay, dust, smoke and illness causing germs make air. These threes are making the air unclean. What is that three? Tell me. Dust, smoking and illness causing germs. Illness causing germs means there are some germs are causing illness to us. Okay, that is we are saying dust, smoking, illness causing germs. These three are making air unclean. Okay, that is called air pollution. Okay, that is we are called as the air pollution. Okay, my dear children, have you all understood? See, for first point of air pollution is, first of all, without air we cannot live in this world. So we need air to live. The air that we breathe, it should be clean. Okay, breathing air is always should be clean. Okay, otherwise we will fall in ill. Okay, air that is not clean can cause serious problems. If we are breathing air is not clean, it is unclean air, that will cause many serious problems to us. Okay, and also not only as the environment around us, for that also it may cause any problems. Okay, there are three things that makes the air unclean. What are they? Dust, smoke and illness causing germs. These three makes air unclean. That is we called as the air pollution. Okay, my dear children. Smoke from cars, factories and burning of wood causes also the air pollution. Okay, smoke from cars. Yes, absolutely. You all crossed from that. If you are traveling in the bike, see here in front of you the car is travel means the smoke will come from the cars. So that is also the air pollution. That smoke is also, yes, that smoke is also spread the air pollution. Smoke from cars and also factories. Yes, if you are visiting Aryalur, you can see the cement factories is there. Okay, see here always that Aryalur area is looking like a dust area because of that factories. Okay, so smoke from cars and factories and burning of wood also may cause air pollutions. Okay, so that we should not follow these one. Okay, trees help clean the air around us. Yes, absolutely, my dear children. Trees only always helps to clean our environment. Trees always helps to clean the air. Okay, we can make the air better by planting more trees and taking care of the ones that are around us. Because of the plant we can improve our air pollution. Okay, so here we can stop our air pollution. We cannot improve, we can stop our air pollutions. Okay, yes, yes, we have to concentrate in our environment part also. Okay, because of that we are all living in our environment. Okay, so we have to concentrate our environment surroundings also. Okay, my dear children. Yes, now we are going to do one activity. This is activity 7.7. Look at the given images. See here below they gave many images. Look at the given images. Place a cross against the action you think cause pollutions. Okay, this image causes the air pollution. If you think like that, you have to put a cross, or else if the one which help to reduce the air pollution, that you have to put tick. Okay, are you ready to do this activity, my dear children? Yes, very good. Smoke free vehicles. See here, what is this? Smoke free vehicles. Here they given the images of smoke vehicles. Okay, but here they told smoke free vehicles. What is meant by smoke from vehicles? Smoke from vehicles? Yes, before I told you, no, smoke from vehicles is causes air pollution. Yes, here they given. So yes, here also they given the smoke from vehicles. Here they given the smoke from vehicles. Do you think this is the against of air pollution, or it will reduce the air pollution? Yes, it may cause air pollution. So here what do you want to put? Smoke from vehicles. Here what do you want to put? Here they didn't give smoke free vehicles, my dear children. Sorry, see here what they given? Smoke from vehicles. So here you have to put cross. Yes, because of the smoke only the air getting pollution. So here you have to put the cross. Okay, trees being cut down. What is that? Trees being cut down. This is against the air pollution, or else it helps to reduce the air pollution? Absolutely, this is against the air pollution, because see here they are cutting the trees. Without trees we can't pure our air. Okay, so here you have to put cross. Okay, we should not cut the trees, we have to planting the trees. Okay, my dear children, shall we move? Yeah, see here, this is your next one. Planting a sapling. Please take your turn your page, my dear children. Turn your page. Yes, planting a sapling. What is meant by sapling? A small plant. Yeah, see here, planting a sapling. Do you think this is a good one for air pollution, or it's bad one? Yes, planting a sapling is a good for air pollution. So here you have to put tick. Cleaning our home. Do you think cleaning our home is a good thing or bad thing? Yes, good thing. So here you have to put tick. Okay, cleaning our home. Smoke from a factory. This is air pollution making, or else it reduce air pollution? Smoke from a factory. Yes, here you have to put cross, because smoke from factory is, yes, yes, making our air pollutions. Yes, so that here you have to put cross. Okay, smoke from a factory. Yes, very good. See here in your page number 103, here they given the companion 7a. Let us make a blow paint. Okay, this is for your activity, my dear children. Take your companion book and you are going to do a blow painting. What is meant by blow painting? Yes, see here I am going to tell you. This is the blow painting. What here you have to do? Make your very own blow painting. Okay, what are all the materials you require for this blow painting? Straw, watercolor paints, paintbrush, white chalk. Okay, take a white chalk, my dear children, and now we are going to do a blow painting. How to make the painting? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, take a big size chart with you. Okay, place it in the table. And the first step is place a few drops of watercolor paint with a paint brush on a piece. Okay, place a few drops of watercolor paint with a paint brush. Okay, see here, paint brush. In the paint brush you have to drop a watercolor paint. What color you may like, you can place it. Okay, of white shot. Okay, you can take it a white shot. That will looks very nice on seeing the other color on it, white shots. Okay, so of white shot. Okay, place a few drops of watercolor paint with a paint brush on a piece of white shot. Place the straw near the paint and blow. Place the straw near the paint and blow. The paint will spread on the chart. Okay, you have to keep the straw with near to the paint and to the mouth. Okay, and your paint brush is close to the chart. Okay, now you have to blow. Yes, you have to, like that, you have to blow your air. Okay, then the watercolor will spread it in the chart. Okay, my dear children, the paint will spread on the chart. Use different colors, allow them to dry. Okay, you cannot use only one color, you can use many colors. Okay, my dear children, use different colors, allow them to dry. Do you see patterns? Describe them. Yes, absolutely. If you are doing this continuously with the using of colors green, red, blue, yellow, whatever colors you like it, if you are doing it in the chart, okay, and you can see the patterns there, what you are seeing in that chart you have to write in your companion book. Okay, show the paintings in class and ask others to do the same. If you are all in our classrooms, you can show this to your friends. Okay, but you are all in at home. Okay, so if you are doing this activity, please post it in the WhatsApp group, no issue. If your friends are seeing that, automatically they can also do that. On seeing you, they can also do this activity. Okay, my dear children, did everyone see the same in your painting? Tick your response. Okay, after posting in WhatsApp, you have to answer for this question. Did everyone see the same in your painting? What is the patterns? Okay, what is the patterns you drew there? That if everyone's are saying the same answer, it looks like that, it looks like this, like that. If everyone's are saying the same answer, here you have to write S. Or else there are different opinions they are saying, means you have to put no. Okay, and also here one main thing for you, do not blow continuously. Okay, like that you are all blowing your air, no, yeah, that time you should not blow very continuously because you feel very dizzy. Okay, you cannot breathe that much. Okay, so you have to take rest and you have to do with many colors and enjoy your painting. Okay, my dear children, yes, I hope you all liked this session. Okay, yes, and also I hope you are going to do this activities, and please post it in a Google Classroom and also do the blow painting also. Okay, my dear children, it will give you more interest on it. Okay, yes, okay. Till this I am going to stop my session. Soon we will meet you in the next session. Okay, my dear children, be safe at home. Bye bye. Take care.